Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Finally, the market has broken out of the consolidation phase, but not in the direction which a lot of you guys were anticipating, as we just received another sell-off. Today morning, seeing my account getting liquidated was not the best feeling. Now, if we talk about Dogecoin specifically, it has fallen below the 14-cent mark, and as I mentioned yesterday, the next support is going to be close to 13, and at the same time, the trading volume has taken a little bit of a push up as we have made it over the $1 billion mark. Now, there are some catalysts. First of all, COINBASE is supposed to launch very soon when it comes to Dogecoin features. Dogecoin whale buys 226 million Dogecoin from Robinhood, and whales who sold profit for Solana is reinvesting in Dogecoin. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just update to bar go, then push the video to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I just want to mention something important. If you guys have been paying attention to the price, yesterday when we went into a consolidation zone around the 14-cent mark, I noticed on Twitter some people actually messaged me saying, Sky, why are you talking about the price dropping more? Why do you want that to happen? And the simple answer is, I didn't want it to happen. I was just trying to tell you when is the next support, because the next support is actually sitting close to 13 cents. And that's usually what the whales are looking for. Until there is no support, they're not going to be buying into it. There is no way the price will be able to make a huge reversal. Now we're in the 13 zone, maybe a little bit more downtrend, maybe 5% or 3 to 5%, and then we will be able to make a recovery. Now keep in mind, I'm one of the most optimistic person when it comes to Dogecoin, and that's why my account just got liquidated today. But you guys can tell that 13 cents is going to be the next support, and at 13 cents we will be able to see some sort of recovery. And right now you shouldn't be just focusing on Dogecoin, but rather Bitcoin should be the one that should be setting the trend. Right now Bitcoin is making sure it's able to stay over the 60-cent zone, and it is doing very well. Google pulls down the Trust wallet from Play Store temporarily, so there are some big things happening around meme tokens and at the same time Bitcoin. If you guys do not know, there are some news which are coming out, such as Binance founder faces sentencing over money laundering violations. Now this is going to be a big deal because you guys know Binance is the largest platform when it comes to crypto trading, and if there is something big happening with Binance, that's obviously going to make an impact on the overall market as well. At the same time, this is another thing, which is Spot Bitcoin ETF just launched in Hong Kong, a market update. And you guys know this is a sell on news event. If you do not know what that means, just build up until the news drops and then everyone sells off. Hong Kong launches eagerly awaited Spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF. Narrative features include a physical subscription and redemption mechanism. Market analysts highlight advantages over the US ETF. I mean, most likely there will be more people that will be buying this ETF over the US ETF, and this is going to inflow quite a large amount of money. Now you guys know, a lot of you guys will be like, Sky, from the last 3 days we have not seen any sort of inflow from the Bitcoin ETF in the US, so what makes you think that it's going to be anything different when it comes to Hong Kong? Well, you guys need to understand, right now the whole market is so skeptical. Everyone's trying to figure out what is going to happen next, trying to figure out what direction the market is going to take. So it might be a little unpredictable. That's one of the reasons why USDT has the highest amount of holding in a long time right now, because the market is so uncertain. So right now it is just about the patience game. Especially if you're leverage trading, then this is the time you should be probably cutting down the rate at which your leverage is. Today is amendment date for COINBASE supposed to launch Dogecoin features. Now, as soon as this happens, you guys know this is going to have a very positive impact on Dogecoin, because this is going to be setting us up for a commodity rather than a security. Now, at the same time, there are some whales which are scooping up this fall that we have just received. 226 million being purchased from Robinhood, and some other whales such as this one, you can see today decided to purchase about $32 million worth of Dogecoin, and this is the third largest wallet of Dogecoin, so that should give you perspective, close to 14 cents. They wanted to, scoop up as much as possible. And this is another wallet, on the other hand, which has sold pretty much very similar amounts of Dogecoin. So you guys need to be a little positive, I would say, because right now it's not just Dogecoin that's fallen into this problem. It's more like the whole crypto market is being pulled down. So it's probably a good time to put your wallet down and just focus on your real life and go back to doing your everyday things. Will, who took out 1.4 million profit from Solana, hit $200 reinvesting in Dogecoin and another high coin. So it just shows that Dogecoin is getting the interest from the right people. At the same time, the open interest has just gone a little short to 700 million, which is a little not good, because I know a lot of you guys would have wanted it to stay high as possible, but today the liquidations were quite heavy. $12 million liquidated, and 11 million of that came just from the long positions. And let's just say that's a big deal, because you can see there is a lot. At the same time, the probability of Dogecoin explosion is increasing day by day as we get closer to the X payments, and you can see that the transactions which are occurring on Dogecoin have closely surpassed Ethereum and Dogecoin and Bitcoin. So right now Dogecoin is still getting the center of attention. We just need to be a little patient. I feel like some guys need some Dogecoin prefer right now. Zoom out and you will see that we're getting ready for another explosive move very soon. X payments hype notwithstanding the Dogecoin price bearish setup, as 42% drop could be coming very soon. So as the price is going down a little bit, there is going to be a lot of negative articles that will also come out. It's really important for you to be able to make a decision, because this is not just for Dogecoin, but that's for the whole crypto market. Making healthy profits, it's okay, but if you decide to, just fall for a panic sell, that's not gonna be good. Hidden Dogecoin growth signal. Now these signals are getting really strong. I mean, we have hit the support. Now most likely we will be making the next leg up very soon. Now key Dogecoin indicators soar by almost 15% in the 90 days, but why is the price not following? That's the thing. So you just need to be very patient, because right now there is just so many things which are happening around the whole crypto market. The whole market is really concerned and trying to just figure out a direction to take. All I'm trying to say is right now, being patient would be the best thing, especially when the market is crashing. You need to try to DCA if you have any money that you would still like to put into crypto. But other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon.